Fedora versus Ubuntu versus Linux Mint. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Fedora, Ubuntu, and Linux Mint. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's start with Fedora. Fedora is a cutting edge Linux distribution known for offering the latest features and technologies. It's backed by Red Hat and targets developers and advanced users. Pros of Fedora include up to date software, strong security features like Linux, and a clean GNOME desktop environment. Cons include less software availability in default repositories, shorter support cycles, and not ideal for beginners. Now let's talk about Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions known for its ease of use and large community support. It's widely used by both beginners and professionals. Pros include great hardware compatibility, long term support versions, and strong community documentation. Cons include heavier system requirements compared to other distros and snap packaging, which some users find slower. Now let's look at Linux Mint. Linux Mint is a user-friendly distribution based on Ubuntu, designed to feel more familiar to users coming from Windows. Pros include a lightweight Cinnamon desktop, pre-installed media codecs, and ease of use. Cons include slower updates than Fedora, and it's not as ideal for users looking for the most current software. So that's basically the main differences between Fedora, Ubuntu, and Linux Mint, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.